Hello there everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, you are gonna see how to delete Instagram chats from both sides permanently. So to do that, let's head over to the Instagram application first. Once you're there, make sure you've logged into your desired account and then head over to the DM section on the top right. Now head over to any conversation. Now just I'm sending on text in here. So if you want to delete it permanently from the both sides, so keep tapped on the message, tap on unsend, and now it is deleted from the both sides. But if you just tapped like delete, if you just tapped delete for you, it would be just delete from your side, not from them. So make sure you tap on unsend and it is just deleted permanently from both sides. Hope this video will help you out and make sure to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel, and we'll see you in the next video.